exercise, we are given two vectors, A and B, in the algebraic form, and we need to find out the angle between them. So let's write down the vectors first. So the A vector is given to be minus 2I plus 6j. And then the B vector is equal to 2I minus 3j. Let's draw a system of coordinates and just see how the two vectors align themselves. So the A vector is 2 units in the negative x direction and then 6 units in the positive y direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So approximately like this. So this is our A vector. And then the B vector has 2 units in the positive x direction and then 3 units in the negative y. That's our B vector. Now it looks like as if they're along one line, but that's not the case. It's just a drawing not being to scale. So anyways, so now let's calculate what is the angle actually equal to, okay? To find the angle, we can use the definition of a scalar product. So let's start by writing that the scalar product A dot B can be written as AX BX plus AY BY. On the other hand, we know that the scalar product can also be written as magnitude of A times the magnitude of B times the cosine of the angle between them. So we can now set these two equations equal to each other and calculate for the angle. So from this equation you can see that the angle between the two vectors is equal to the inverse cosine of this over this. So AX BX plus AY BY over the product of the magnitudes of the two vectors. Now the magnitude of A from the Pythagorean theorem is equal to AX squared plus AY squared square root, and the same thing for B. So it's BX squared plus BY squared. So now we can just put all the numbers into this equation to calculate for the angle. So cosine inverse is equal to AX times BX. So minus 2 times 2. So negative 4. AY BY plus 6 minus 3. That's negative 18. Then square root of AX squared plus AY squared. So 4 plus 36. 4 plus 36. And then BX plus BY, so that's 4 plus 9. So if you do the calculation correctly, then you should get 165 degrees for the angle between the two vectors. So this angle happens to be 165 degrees.